First Class V here again. Gonna teach you guys how to print your 5988's. So I urge you to empower your platoon leaders and XOs. It should not be the ERP's job to print the 5988's for the platoon or company. This is one way that the XOs and PLs can be more involved with their maintenance and develop more of an ownership atmosphere. So first thing we're going to do is open up gcss-army. So you're going to go to your equip sit. Once you're in your equip sit, you'll enter your UIC. Like I told you in my previous videos, I always search A through Z. So you can do this one or two ways. You can do an individual 5988, or you can highlight mass and actually print a 5988. So I'm going to print multiple. So I'm going to highlight, go to the print button. Now, this is important. So if you're doing a service, this is for your mechanics and maintenance managers out there, the highest level service the operator does is a monthly. Whatever service you guys are doing, whether it be annual, biannual, semi-annual, quarterly, whatever, you can actually click right here and you can get the 5988 that you need. All right. So I'm just going to do a quarterly. Now here, PB01. So the equipment has shortages, you can print it on the 5988. So once you execute, you hit print preview, and your 5988s will populate. So like I said, the inspection date or inspection type quarterly will be right there, right? So keep that in mind when you're doing your service packets. And I'm going to do a separate class on how to read the 5988, but to print, you would just hit print, and you're good to go. Hope you liked the video. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'll be doing a series of videos next week on shop stock and bench stock.